In this video, I'll show you how to set up Stripe webhooks. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Once you're inside, click Developers in the left menu and then select Webhooks. Next, click Add Endpoint. In the Endpoint URL field, enter the URL where you want Stripe to send event notifications. This is usually a URL provided by your website, application, or automation tool. After that, select the events you want Stripe to send to your endpoint. Common events include successful payments, failed payments, and completed checkouts. Choose the events that match your workflow. Now, click Add Endpoint to save your webhook. Stripe will begin sending the selected events to the URL you provided whenever those actions occur. Next, open the webhook details page and copy the signing secret if your application requires it. This helps verify that webhook requests are coming from Stripe. Once everything is configured, use Stripe's testing tools to send a test event and confirm that your endpoint receives the data correctly. Finally, review the webhook logs in Stripe to monitor deliveries and troubleshoot any issues if events are not being received. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Stripe webhooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.